Hi guys, Love here from techbeatph.com, and we're here at GamerFest 2018. We're going to review the Zenfone Max Plus. We're going to do an unboxing and real world review. So do stick around and see if this is the right phone for you.
Unboxing the phone from the box, we can see first the gel case that comes along with the phone. First for ASUS. The phone itself, which has a very premium feel and has a very responsive screen. But more on this later. Going to the next level, we can see the charging cable, the power adapter, a set of headphones, very nice with spare plugs, a USB to USB Type-C connector, Moving on to the phone, it has a bright screen which is very responsive. To the touch, you can search everything and it's actually very good. A very nice premium feel. Looking externally at the phone, focusing on the back, there's the fingerprint sensor, the dual camera setup and the LED light. At the bottom with the USB Type-C port, screen lock and volume up and down button, and a very nice screen. After unboxing the phone, we went to GamerFest 2018 to test the phone. We only charged the phone once since we got it from ASUS. It has been 2 weeks of texting, calling, and using the phone as our daily driver. We also used the phone to capture some images and video during GamerFest 2018. Here are some sample videos of what we got. We also used the phone in mobile gaming. We spent hours playing Vainglory. And it delivered very good resolution and result. The battery level never even flinched. Is this the phone for you? With its 18:9 aspect ratio, clear screen, outstanding battery life, if you're someone who's always on the go, who loves traveling, capturing images and posting them online, then definitely this is the phone for you. Now we at techbeatph give this the silver award for its outstanding performance, battery life and amazing display.